So this is our top of the range heavy duty commercial petrol pressure washer. This is the KIAM 3700 PR. The R stands for reduction gearbox, which is basically the section here between the pump and the engine. What that does is that it reduces the engine speed, so it's like a 2-to-1 reduction gearbox. So the pump's only revving at 1450 RPM, so it means it's going to last you twice as long and give you a really optimum performance. The power out of this machine, it's 3700 PSI, which is around about 250 bar at 15 litres a minute. So as I said before, it's the top of the range, the most powerful pressure washer that we do for driveway and patio cleaning. So if you're considering starting up a pressure washing business, you know, why not start at the top? The 3700 PR is going to clean driveways faster and better than anything else that's out there. It's going to say with a really heavy duty pump, 3700, 15 litres a minute. Any accessories that you use with this machine, whether it be any of the standard nozzles, a turbo nozzle, a rotary cleaner, a wash broom, any of those accessories, because you've got really high powered performance, it's going to clean really quickly and really efficiently. So the pump on this machine is the biggest pump that we do. It's, as opposed to the standard machine, this has got 18mm valves on it, so it's slightly bigger than the 15mm valves. What that means is that with the reduction gearbox, it allows you to suck water from a standing water source. So it actually comes with a suction kit, so you can attach that to the side of the pump and it will just draw water straight out of an IBC or a standing water source. The 18mm valves and the 18mm holes in the pump are slightly bigger, so it allows the water to come in easier, so it'll suck the water as well as push it out at really high pressure.